Once the children are confident at counting forwards and backwards from different numbers, we then move them on to a more mental way of solving calculations, which is using a number line. So I'm going to show you how to do that by adding a single digit onto a 2-digit number. So if we begin with the first one, and again we need to say that number sentence out loud and just give a little bit of time to think about what it is asking us to do. So the question is 47 add 4. It's an addition calculation, so the number's going to more than likely get bigger unless I'm adding 0. And it means that I'm going to start with a number and then add some more onto it. So I'm going to have a little look at it. The first number says 47. That's the biggest number, which is the one we're going to start with. Even if the calculation was the other way around, I'd still begin with that larger number. And I'm going to draw a number line. So to begin with, draw a nice long line. And then the number I'm going to start on is 47. So first, I need 47. That's the number that I'm going to be counting on from. And then I need to add 4 more. So I'm going to draw 4 different sort of jumps to show my counting on, making sure that they're nice and big, not too small, so then I can still write my numbers on. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once I've done my 4 jumps, I then need to fill in the numbers, and those numbers go at the point of the jump. So I've started on 47, it's going to be 48, 49, 50, 51. If needed, you could also have your 100 square nearby so that then you can double check your answer as well. For subtraction, it's exactly the same, but you just count backwards. So for my subtraction number sentence, I've got 35 subtract 5, or 35 take away 5. And again, I just need to give a little bit of time to think about what that's asking me to do. So subtraction, it means my number's probably going to get smaller unless I'm subtracting 0. And it means that I'm starting with a number and then I'm going to be taking away some of it. So for example, I could have 35 biscuits and then I'm going to take away and give away 5 of them. So I'm going to draw my number line again. And this time I'm going to start the other end because I'm jumping or I'm counting backwards. So I'm going to write the number 35. First, I had 35, and then I'm going to do 5 jumps. Again, not too small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm filling out those numbers, making sure that my numbers are getting smaller. 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, and 30. My answer is 30. My answer here was 51.